Good morning, 早上好. Last lesson we learned 4 special verbs, and each verb has different pronunciations. Do you still remember? And today we will continue to learn 4 special verbs. Okay, and how do you read this? You don't need to answer me right now because we are going to learn together. Let's read the sentence first. 空调的调查问卷在哪儿 One more time. 空调的调查问卷在哪儿 Okay, in this sentence, this character has 2 pronunciations. One is 调 空调 Second, 调查 Okay, so this character has 2 pronunciations, and 空调 it's a noun, so 调空调 means air conditioning. Okay, but 调 here it's a noun, but sometimes only 调 means addressed, so it's also a verb. It's very difficult. Okay, and 调查 together here means research or investigate. Okay, investigate. And it's a verb, but also 调查 sometimes it's a noun. It's like an investigation. Okay, so this character is kind of difficult. It has 2 pronunciations. One is 调 and another one is 调. It's not easy to say, okay, 调 must be a verb. Basically, 调 is a verb, but 调查 sometimes it's a noun. But 空调 it's a noun, but sometimes only 调 it's a verb. Okay, so just remember this character has 2 pronunciations, and sometimes it's a noun, sometimes it's a verb. It all depends like another character. For example, 空调, and here is 调查. Okay, if just 调 or just 调, both of them they are verb. Okay, they are verbs. So 调 means addressed. 调 sometimes means move. Okay, let's go back to this sentence. 空调的调查问卷在哪？空调的调查问卷在哪？ What does it mean? Okay, so 空调 means air conditioning. 的 means of. 调查 means investigation, but 调查问卷 together, 调查问卷 means questionnaire. Okay, so the questionnaire of the air conditioning 在哪儿 is where. So where is the questionnaire of the conditioning? Okay, so this character is kind of complicated, and there's no rules and like, oh, 调 is a verb and 调 is a noun. No, it all depends. Okay, especially you have to pay attention to another character with this. Okay, and next one, this character also has 2 pronunciations. One is 卷 4th tone. Second is 卷 the 3rd tone. And 卷 basically it's a noun, and 卷 can be a verb and also can be an adjective. Okay, I will tell you later. Okay, let's read this sentence together. 你把试卷卷一下。你把试卷卷一下。Okay, so 你 means you, by is adverb here. 试卷 means the test paper or examination paper. 试卷, so 卷 basically it's a noun. 卷一下 卷 do something briefly. 卷一下 卷 means roll up. For example, this is 试卷，把试卷卷一下 is do this. 卷 Okay, so this is 卷一下卷 to roll up. So this character with the third tone, it's a verb. 卷 Okay, 卷 And also I said 卷 can be also an adjective. When? Okay. So we can say 她的头发很卷 Her hair is very curly. So 卷 is adjective, means curly hair. 卷发 Okay. And 卷 it's a noun. 卷 can be an adjective and the verb. Okay. Next one. Okay, maybe you have seen this character many times, and it means to watch, to see, like watch TV, 看电视, or to read, 看书, many meanings. But today, I'm going to tell you that actually this character has another pronunciation. It's 看. Okay, what does it mean? Let's read the sentence together. 看门的人看见他了。看门的人看见他了。Okay, so 看 means to guard. So 门 means the door. 看门 means like to look after, to guard the entrance, or to like look after this area. So 看门的人means the people. So doorkeeper, we can say 看门的人. Okay, someone who needed to guard this area. Okay, so 看门的人 doorkeeper. 看见 看 means to see. 看见 together means saw something. So 看门的人看见他了 means the doorkeeper saw him. Okay, 看门的人看见他了。看门的人 the doorkeeper 看见他了 saw him. The doorkeeper saw him. So 看 has two pronunciations, 看 and 看. Well, 看 means to guard, to keep, or to look after. 看 means to read, to see, to watch. Okay, next one. 他把孩子背在背上. So this character has two pronunciations too. One is 背, first tone. Second is 背, the fourth tone. But what's the difference between them? Okay, 他把孩子背在背上 means he carries the child or the kid on his back. So 背 this character with the first tone 背 means carry something on someone's back. 背 like this 背. Okay, so 背 is a verb. Here 背 means the back, your back. Okay, so 背 here means it's a noun and means your back. 背上 on your back, 在你背上，在我背上 on my back. Okay, and 背 means carry, like carry something on your shoulder. Sometimes carry something on your shoulder or carry something like on your back. Okay, but I cannot say 背 it's a verb. Basically 背 is a verb, but I cannot say 背 must be a noun. Why? 背 can as a noun means your back. Actually 背 can be also a verb. For example, 背单词 means recite, like to remember. 背单词 recite the words, recite the vocabulary. 背单词. So as a body part, 背, okay, as a verb means to recite, and also with the first tone 背 means to carry something on the back. Okay. Well, you will say, oh, it's so complicated. Well, to remember this verb, all you need to do is to read the whole sentence, right? I told you before, basically the verb will be before the noun. So basically the first character sometimes must be the verb. You can think about this way. Okay. And today we learned 4 special verbs. And the meanings and the pronunciations kind of like difficult, but don't worry. Just repeat, and then you can remember automatically. That's how I learn all the grammars and the vocabularies. I just keep reading. Okay, let's read together one more time. First one, 空调的调查问卷在哪？你把试卷卷一下，看门的人看见他了，他把孩子背在背上。Okay, I made these sentences because I want you to remember these verbs easily. I will try my best to make more similar sentences like this because it's easier to remember the words. And thank you for watching today. I will see you next time. 再见。